Guys, this is a PNG people, PNG girl yan. Ay, very nice smile.
To sleep, you don't need chew boy. Make your mind, brain, wake up.
Ah,
Yeah.
Chew boy will feel like you want to make baby.
ay, nice like that.
I want one of your one talk.
Wow! Yeah, wow, nice. Yan guys, pagkain ng...
watching
thank you for watching from James of Papua New Guinea.
from Papua New Guinea all the way to Papua New Guinea.
Thank you. Guys, this is a PNG people, PNG girl yan guys. Kay Buhay. Kay Buhay. Sa atin guys, nga yan, no? Ito. Nagtitinda sila dito ng mga nga yan. Tinatanong nila sa akin kung nagnga daw ako.
This is
Yan.
Buhay,
Buhay?
and this is Daka.
Daka.
Yeah,
Okay. How much is the pair? How much?
One kina.
one kina for one.
1 kina.
Yeah, like this.
1 kina. Okay.
One kina one.
Okay. It's already pair.
No,
Ah,
we are selling it.
okay. So, what about the white one? The
Yeah,
powder.
white one is inside.
No, the powder.
Powder.
Yeah.
Yeah, Daka. I mean, lime.
Lime. Okay, lime. Ayan,
Kamanya,
guys. Inaalok nila ako na kung tinatanong nila sa akin kung bumibili ako. Hinahaluan ng ganito apog yata to sa atin sa Pilipinas, guys. Apog. So ayan, kita nyo ang pupulan ng ay, very nice smile. Ayan guys, yung kinakain nila para mamula yung lips nila. What's the effect of that buhay? What do you feel?
Kailan na ba yung pilit?
Do you feel hot? What? You feel full stomach or what?
No.
No. What do you feel?
We feel happy.
You feel happy
Yeah.
upon eating that? Okay. And guys, masaya daw pagka nakakain sila ng ganyan. Pero alam ko guys, pagka ganito nagkakainit ng katawan to eh. Yung ano. Ganyan guys, ang binibenta nila dito. Ayan. Napakasimple lang ng buhay nila guys dito. Nagtitinda ng mga ganito sa gilid. May kangkong pa. Yan, 52 yan. Sa ngayon guys, ang palitan yata ng kina ay nasa 13 pesos. Hindi ako nagkakamali. So, ganun ang presyuhan dito guys sa PNG. So, ayan. Sir, can I ask question? How do you feel? What do you feel upon eating kay Buhay?
Eating boys.
Seriously, we want to fuck.
When you try to sleep, you don't need chew boy. Make your mind, brain, wake up. Yeah.
Nakakagising pala to guys. You feel awake every
Yeah.
time you okay.
You feel.
You feel like you want to make baby.
Ay, nakakapagpalibog pala ito guys.
When you chew boy, you feel like you want to make baby.
Ay, nice you feel energetic.
Energy.
Very nice.
Never
Energy.
stop.
Okay. You should have partner.
False.
You should have partner when you eat like that.
I want one of your one talk.
Wow! Very nice guys. Ay, talaga naman madali pa tayo dito. Ayan. Ang feeling daw nila guys, parang gusto nila makapag-SEX para nakaka-boost ng kanilang
Man, it's very good. This one. Very good to why and make more babies.
Ang galing daw tong lalaki na to para makagawa ng baby
When you eat blood, you feel like you want to touch it.
Ayan guys, nakakatuwa din naman sila. Nakikipagbulahan sila sa akin habang ako'y nakatambay dito sa labas guys. Ganito yung mga itsura ng mga tao dito guys. Parang ano lang. I tried that long time ago but I don't feel like eating it. Chewing it. Ayan. Ayan. Nakitambay lang ako dito guys habang naghihintay ako sa mga kasamahan natin doon. So dito sa labas, ayan naman. Kasi hindi ganong kadamihan tao pagkalinggo guys. Kaya hindi ganong delikado kasi hindi ganong crowded dito sa area. So So yan muna guys, at nag-chewing chew sila ng betel nut. Yan, sa kanila, kay Buway.
Tell them
Pam-
now I'm chewing betel nut.
yan.
You
Nakapag...
want to see me, just look at you.
Okay.
Followers. Tell your
Yeah.
followers.
Okay. Yan. He's chewing na. What's your name, sir? What's your name?
My name is James.
James. Okay. This guy is James from Papua New Guinea and we
Yeah.
are now in Rabaul. So, inalaw niya ako na kuhanan ko siya habang siya ay nag-chuchu ng... Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan. Gusto niya talaga na na kuhanan ko siya ng ng shots habang kumukuha. Okay. Sinasawsaw doon sa parang apog. Wow. Ang galing eh.
Tell them like and share.
Okay.
Tell your followers.
Listen sir, like, share, and subscribe mga kasimahang isda.
Yeah.
Sinasabihan niya pa ako na sabihin ko daw sa inyo, mag-like, share, and subscribe yan guys. So yan ang kalimitang kanilang kinakain dito guys, lalo na kung pambatid gutom daw nila to, ewan ko lang, hindi ko masabi kung mabubusog ka dito, pero ang feeling mo daw guys dito ay energetic ka, malakas yung katawan mo. Sabi nga no isang babae kanina, you feel like having a sex or sex. Parang napipil daw nila, na-arouse sila pag kumakain sila ng ganito. Ayan, this is James again. Oh, his tongue is already kulay orange. Yeah. Wow, nice. Yan guys, pinakita ko lang sa inyo ang
Thank
pagkain
you for
ng...
watching
Thank you for watching from James of Papua New Guinea.
from
Rabaul.
Papua New Guinea all the way to Papua New Guinea.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much. I salute you guys.
Thank you, thank you.